Welcome to this SimForm tutorial. To conduct thermal analysis on your mold design in SimForm, you must define the different components of your mold. This enables the software to identify the mold components, plastic parts, and channels. SimForm allows you to define the cooling channels in your mold by using physical bodies in CAD files or by extracting cooling channels directly from the mold using SimForm's face-based extraction feature. This eliminates the need to create the explicit physical representations of the cooling lines and optimizes the overall design process for increased efficiency. Sign up for a free trial today and experience the convenience and efficiency of SimForm. In this step-by-step demo, I will show you how to extract and define the inlets and outlets of your cooling channels directly from your mold without the need of physical CAD bodies. For this example, I will use a mold design of an all-terrain vehicle grille model. The mold and plastic part components are already defined. Now, to enable the face selection, in the Channels panel, I'll select Faces. I'll select a face defining a cooling channel in my mold design. Then, in the Channels panel, I'll click Add to extract the channel adjacent to the selected face. I will click Display Channel to display and verify the extracted channel. Then I'll right-click anywhere in the graphic window to reset the view. If some parts of the cooling channel are not extracted, for each part I can click Pick Channel Face and select the face of the mold that defines the missing part to add it to the cooling channel. I'll repeat this procedure to extract all the channels in my model. Notice that Detect Baffles Automatically option is enabled by default, allowing SimForm to automatically identify the baffles and list the categorized baffles in the Channels panel. SimForm displays the detected baffles in turquoise and the extracted channels in gray. Now I will define the channel's inlets and outlets. So to do that, I'll enable the Inlet-Outlet selection mode. Only the extracted channels are displayed in the model view, allowing for easier navigation and selection. For each channel, simply click on the inlet surface to designate it as an inlet. To define the channel outlet, press the Shift key while clicking on the corresponding surface. Each inlet and outlet must be defined by a single surface. SimForm allows using channels with one inlet and multiple outlets. The color of the defined inlet surface changes to purple, while the defined outlet surface changes to green. A channel with a defined inlet and not defined outlets is displayed in red. A channel with a defined outlet and not defined inlet is displayed in yellow. A channel with defined inlet and outlets is displayed in blue. The color-coded visualization makes it easier to verify if the channels are properly defined. The defined inlets and outlets are listed in the Channels panel. The cooling channels of my mold design are properly extracted and defined, so I can now submit the job to solve it. When the solve finishes, I will click Results to open the results page. In the Display Mode panel, the freeze time is displayed. I can select channels to display the cooling channels and analyze the impact of the channel's placement on the results. The face extraction feature in SimForm simplifies your workflow to set up the thermal analysis of mold designs by eliminating the need for physical channel CAD bodies. This allows you to avoid the significant amount of work required to create physical bodies for the cooling lines, which can be inefficient when using SimForm early in the design process to evaluate multiple designs. SimForm's intuitive interface and color-coded visualization ensure that you can perform thermal analyses easily and efficiently, providing a user-friendly experience for optimizing your mold design process. Thank you for watching this tutorial.